Want to turn your body into a fat-burning, energy-making machine before 9 a.m. without coffee jitters, crazy workouts, or calorie counting? My morning metabolism routine. Simple, powerful, natural. I used to drag myself through the morning, tired, bloated, and feeling off. Now I follow this simple 5-step morning routine that kickstarts my metabolism, balances hormones, and sets me up to feel lean and energized all day. Start your day like your body loves you. Before coffee or food, I hydrate with warm water, lemon, and a pinch of sea salt or trace minerals. This hydrates at the cellular level and helps flush out toxins your body worked on overnight. Minerals equals metabolism activators. I use a blend of adaptogens and thermogenic herbs. Ashwagandha for stress support, green tea or matcha for clean energy, cayenne or ginger to gently stimulate fat-burning hormones. Fit and Fab Metabolism Boost Elixir, available now at fitandfabshop.com. Next, I move. Nothing intense, just 10-20 minutes of walking or light stretching in sunlight. This wakes up your mitochondria, the engines that burn fat for fuel. Fasted movement plus morning light equals metabolic magic. I never skip breakfast. I fuel my body with a combo of clean protein, fiber, and healthy fat. No sugar spikes allowed. Fit and Fab smoothie protein powder, chia, spinach, cinnamon, nut butter, or eggs plus greens plus avocado toast. Grab the full breakfast recipe guide at fitandfabshop.com. This changed everything. No doom scrolling, no emails. Just breathing, journaling, or visualizing my goals. Cortisol stays low, my mood stays high, and I'm in control of my energy. Cortisol control equals hormone balance equals better fat burn and focus. This routine takes less than an hour, but it completely transformed my body and mind. And when you show your body love first thing in the morning, it shows you love right back. Get the free morning metabolism checklist fitandfabshop.com. Subscribe if you're ready to reset your morning and your metabolism. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're doing this tomorrow, and I'll reply with a bonus tip. Subscribe, like, download morning checklist fitandfabshop.com.